part 3. We're gonna go to my room. Stop laughing, April, and just go. This is my mini fan. I charge it here, and when it's nighttime, I put it on my bed. So let's go to my bed. Here's my bed. Here's my bed. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes. No, it's not. No, it's not. Let's cannonball there. Yes. What? I want to. 3, 2, 1. What is that? Wow!
Oil pastel itong baby, oil pastel.
Oil pastel? Guys, I have oil pastel. Thank you, Kuya Joe. This is mine now.
Yeah.
Pag inaya si anak.
What?
Grado.
This is mine. Para may glasses, Mark. I have glasses for my. I have glasses for phone. What?
Kumusan yung oil pastel kaya ng pag-drawing na ito today.
Bye bye. I love you.
Wala ni pa pastel mo.
Adi pa, ikukon ko pa.
Ayaw pag na ha, pag pinambarias.
Yes. This is my eyeglasses for the cell phone and plugging. What? I'm gonna keep cannonballing. Ha? Last cannonball. Bye bye. Hello guys. Another cannonball. Yes. What? Okay.
Boss.